Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer HealthKit data from iPhone to Android using exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer HealthKit data from your iPhone to an Android device, you will need to start by exporting your HealthKit data. First, ensure that you have the Health app installed on your iPhone. Open the Health app and navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Export Health Data. You will see a prompt explaining what data will be exported. Tap on Export to proceed. The export process may take some time, depending on the amount of data you have. Once the export is complete, you will see a file that ends with the extension .zip. Choose a method to share the exported file, such as email or a cloud storage service like Dropbox or Google Drive. If you're using email, enter your email address and send the file to yourself. Check your email or log in to your cloud storage service to access the exported file. Next, download the .zip file to your Android device. Ensure you have an app installed that can handle zip files, such as WinZip or RAR. Open the zip file using the app you selected. Inside the zip file, you will find a .xml file that contains your HealthKit data. Now you need to convert this .xml file into a format that can be used on your Android device. Look for an online data converter that can handle .xml to .csv conversions. Follow the instructions on the converter website to upload your .xml file and convert it. Once the conversion is complete, download the .csv file to your Android device. You can now use health tracking apps on Android that support .csv file imports. Open the health tracking app of your choice on your Android device. Look for the import or sync feature within the app settings. Select the .csv file you downloaded to import your HealthKit data. After the import, verify that your data is correctly displayed in the app. You have now successfully transferred your HealthKit data from your iPhone to your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.